Welcome, everyone, to the June edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara, Highball Advisors. So, a lot going on. The war continues to drag on. They're talking about a temporary ceasefire, I think 60 days. At the end of the day, we got to get these oil prices down. It's having a big effect on our inflation rate, overall cost of everything. So, also this month, or in May, I should say, consumer confidence hit an all-time low. So, that's very concerning. And then we have uh, stock market hitting all-time highs. So a lot of discrepancies there, right? Consumer confidence low, stock market's high. So we'll see how this all sorts out. Whiteboards, I have, can you really retire on railroad retirement alone? So that's a good video. I talked to a lot of railroaders. They haven't put anything in their 401ks, just thinking railroad retirement. That might not be enough for you. So really take a look at that video and think about some of your 401k strategies. The mailbag I have, can I draw my CSX 401k and retire at 55 and draw my railroad retirement at 60, right? So a railroader wants to leave, wants to use the rule of 55 to cover that 5-year bridge to the railroad retirement at 60. Check out that video. A lot of good insights and strategies there. And then the checklist, what issues should I consider if concerned about outliving my assets, right? Hey, is my money going to last my whole retirement? So take a look at that, things that you can do to help make sure that your assets are there for the rest of your life. And then the economic chart, stocks have performed well following all-time highs. Like I said earlier, stock market's at all-time high. Well, should I invest at it? Should I invest? Take a look at this chart. It's pretty surprising when markets hit all-time highs, how investors should react to that. So railroaders, uh, you know, we'll see you guys in June. And in July, and until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.